push, drop hands, raise hands and turn, scoop down and stand up and prop, relax and step, single whip, transfer weight to the right, back to the left, prop, step out and raise hands. Little step, stalk, cool swings. Relax, step and brush knee. Little step, place the left foot and play the pipa. Open up and prop. Relax, step, left brush knee. Open up and stand up and prop. Relax, step, right brush knee. Stand up and prop. Relax and step, left brush knee. Little step, place the left foot, play the pipa. Open up and stand up and prop. Relax, left brush knee. Twist step left, stand up, prop, step back qua, chop. Stand up and prop, relax, step left foot and left brush knee. Wipe off, retreat and push. Turn, drop to the right, come up on the left, cross hands, drop back to the right and turn, left toe, step to 45, embrace tiger, return to mountains. Drop hands, raise hands, come around, and the first T. Relax, step, and the second T. Step to the front, needle at C bottom. Open up and prop, step back, repulse monkey, right. Open up, prop, step back, repulse monkey left. Stand up, relax, step back, slanting fly. Step and raise hands. Little step, place a foot and raise hands. Stalk cools wings. Relax and step, left brush knee. Little step and needle at C bottom. Stand up, relax, step with the left, fan through back. turn, relax, step, chop, wipe off, stand up and prop, step pakwa, chop, stand up and prop, relax, step, and punch. Twist step left and grasp bird's tail.